From the early morning side, atom energy bursts me inside my transparent wings, speeding far and wide as I see in front of me ocean full of possibilities, current thoughts and streams of limitless abilities. And I swim in all my thoughts in the ocean of all forms, taking different routes along just to learn and to explore, as I am looking in my mind for the goal of human life. Dull existence I avoid and desire going high. What's the matrix of all being? It's elegy. Everyone is part of all in the toughest earthly school. Since I have so little time, I'll be present with